Hi, this is Tony from the Masterful Engineer Programme, and today's boiler what we're looking at is a Vaillant Turbo Max Plus 828E, and what we're going to look at just the functionality of this boiler. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly look at the functions of these buttons here on the front. So as you can see, I've got it in hot water mode at the moment, and this green LED is flashing, yellow LED is on, saying the burner is on. If you press the I button here, like that, S14, that means it's in hot water mode and everything's working okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in heating mode in a minute, and we'll just look at that as well. So now we've got on heating mode, you can see the burner lights on. I'm going to press the I button again. This is for heating, and you've got S4, so that means it's in heating mode. Now with the I button you can do another thing by looking at the fault history of what's been going on. So on this particular boiler, it's been losing pressure and it's been going off, so we can look at what's been going on by pressing the I button and the minus button together, and this should give us the first code. So that's F24, so that's what's been going on, F24. That means there's a circulation problem within the boiler. So if you press it again, there's another code, F23. That again is another circulation problem. So that aligns up with what's been going on with this boiler. It's been losing pressure, so we're going to check to see if there's any air in the system. You can check the expansion vessel to see what's been going on. So this is where you can check the history of the faults by pressing the I button and the minus together, and then using the plus to scroll through the last 10 faults in the boiler. So basically that's the end of this particular exercise, to look at the codes, the history and the function of the lights on the front of the boiler. So if you've got any queries or questions, you can post them on the website. So thank you for watching, hope to see you soon.